everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a video response for Cara Mia's Corner. She is having a challenge for January, and it's the hashtag Cara Mia's Corner Crafty Challenge 2021. So this week we were challenged with making a do-it-yourself pop-up mini album, and I guess it was last week since this is Sunday. And the theme is friendship, and she wants you to always shop your stash and let's craft. So also the theme was memories with you, and it had to have a pop-up feature, a photo backdrop, interactive cards, fun embellishment, and a ribbon closure, I believe. And here is Cara Mia's Corner hashtag Crafty Challenge 2021. Wanted you guys to see that. So this do-it-yourself pop-up mini album was a real challenge for me. I last week had a very stressful week as far as work was concerned, and it translated to my crafting. I wasn't focused. I was having technical issues with our internet and trying to use my Cricut. So I kept pushing it aside and getting frustrated. I had a thought in my head, the direction I wanted to go, and I couldn't find the paper. And lo and behold, I had used the paper that I wanted to create this DIY pop-up mini album, so I didn't even have it anymore. So I was really frustrated, but I tried to complete the project because it is a challenge. So this is what I came up with. So this is the front, and I used my Cricut to cut out most of the elements in the mini pop-up album. And here's my ribbon closure, and this is just some ribbon from my stash. Everything is from my stash, of course. I didn't purchase anything to make this. And you can check out Cara Mia's Corner YouTube page to see how you make this. So the first section of my pop-up is a little sentiment and then a little pineapple that I actually I stamped, I die cut that. It's a die I have, and I have this really cute sentiment that says sometimes you just have to throw a crown on to show who they are dealing with. And then, you know, the pineapple has kind of a crown on it, so that's why I chose that. And then my second section is my pop-up element. And so it looks really cute on camera. And so I just basically wanted to be kind of whimsical and Hawaiian. And so I used this cutout from Cricut Design Space. The clouds and the sun were a die I have. And then I used this really cute sentiment stamp from, I can't think who it's from now. And it says, thankful for you every day. And this is for my friend. And I think that's a Pebble. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. I'll put it in the comments below if you care to know who that is. But that's the one page. And then my next section, this is where I'm going to have my photo element here. And then I use this really pretty Hawaiian pineapple washi tape. And a little sticker there where I'm going to write a sentiment or write something. And then the photo will go here. Me and my friend. And then the next section is another pop-up. And this one is kind of to represent the nighttime with my moon and stars. I don't know. And it says, you are beautiful inside and out. It's kind of hard to see the inside and out part. I should have stamped it a little higher, but I was so worried that I was going to mess the stamp up after, because I did it after I put the paper in the little book. And so that's it. Did I miss a section? No. So we have the front, and then there's the back with the little palm leaves. Not really trying to hide the ribbon. I was just supporting the ribbon with these elements so it would stay glued. And then once again, you had the pineapple, and then you had the pop up. And then you had having the photo, and then I'm gonna have a little thing I'm gonna write to my friend, and then the nighttime scene. So the reason why I chose Hawaii is because me and my friend, we often talk about traveling somewhere and we never do it. We plan and think we're gonna go, like somewhere exotic or super fun, and then we we never follow through. So I thought this would be cute to give her this Hawaiian one, so she know that maybe that's still in our future to do that. So once again, check out Cara Mia's Corner, and to show how you can make this. Oh, one of the things about this, let me show you real quick. I'm sorry, is that you can, which I don't know if I have enough space here. You could tie it for it to stand open. I don't think you can. There you go, a little bit. I'm just showing all my junk here. But so you could see all the elements at one time. So anyway, this is super cute. I don't think mine is the best. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you have a nice week coming up, and I'll talk to you soon with a craft haul, maybe sometime in the middle of the week. Bye bye.